Welcome to this video, and in this one it's gonna be kind of short, and we're going to discuss a very basic idea in Instagram, and it is how to choose the best Instagram handle. Now, handle means basically it is your username, and it is anything. You can put anything there, and it is the username that someone can find you based on this. Okay, and I'm going to show you kind of an idea or a strategy on how to name your Instagram account. And even if you're a person, or even if you have a business account and you're promoting your business, your products, etc., the same strategy is for either one. So let's just go into it. So yes, these are the basic ideas that I'm going to explain you more right now. And let's say Yannis, whose name is Yannis Andreou, wanted to put his own name, Yannis Andreou, on Instagram, but for some reason, because he's not the only Yannis Andreou on the planet, for some reason some other person has put it already before Yannis. So at this point, what are you going to do? The first thing that you can do, or Yannis can do, or you can do, or whatever, if you have a business, is you can add this little thing, or this one, the dot or the little dash. So it could seem like this. Your username could seem like this, or like this. Actually, this is the, I don't know how it's called, under dash or whatever it's called. Second one is that you can use an initial, like you can put Yannis A or G Andreou. And this is the second category, that you can put your personal account or even your business account. Third one is that you can use your niche. Niche is the specific category that you work for. For example, fitness is a niche, technology and computers could be another niche, etc. So if Yannis Andreou would, let's say, have a business or have a personal account related to fitness, he could put this one, Yannis Andreou Fitness. Another one is that you can use your domain, and you can put it like yannisandreou.com if you have a domain like this. Fifth one is that you can use a prefix. Now, oops, it says prefix, but it is meant to say prefix or prefix or whatever it's called. Prefix is basically something that you put before something else. Like a word can have a prefix, like a little, some letters that are added to the word before that. So for example, Yannis Andreou can be like this, the Yannis Andreou, or I'm Yannis Andreou, or something